Hook, have you ever found yourself staring at your Acorn app, wondering how to get into your account? It's a common dilemma, especially for those new to the platform. In this video, we'll break down the steps to logging into your Acorn account so you can start exploring and investing with ease. Context: Acorn is a popular investment app that makes it simple to save and invest. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding how to access your account is crucial. So, let's dive in and get you logged in. Step-by-step guide. Open the Acorn app. The first step is to locate and open the Acorn app on your device. It should be a green app with a white acorn symbol. Input your credentials. Once the app is open, you'll be prompted to enter your login information. This typically includes your email address or username and your password. Verify your identity. Depending on your security settings, you may need to verify your identity through a multi-factor authentication process. This could involve entering a code sent to your phone or using biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition. Handle login issues. If you're having trouble logging in, there are a few common reasons to check. Incorrect credentials. Double-check that you've entered your username and password correctly. A small typo can prevent you from accessing your account. Password reset. If you've forgotten your password, most apps have a forgot password option that allows you to reset it. App issues. Sometimes, technical glitches can interfere with logins. Try closing and reopening the app or checking for updates. Additional tips. Bookmark the app. For quick access, consider bookmarking the Acorn app on your device's home screen. Enable notifications. Turn on notifications to stay updated on important account activities, such as investment changes or upcoming deadlines. Secure your account. Protect your account by using a strong password and enabling two-factor authentication. Conclusion: logging into your Acorn account is a straightforward process that should take only a few minutes. By following these steps and addressing any potential issues, you'll be able to access your investments and start making financial decisions. Call to action: have you logged into your Acorn account yet? If not, what's stopping you? Share your experiences in the comments below and let's discuss the benefits of using Acorn for your financial goals. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Remember, if you have any further questions about logging into your Acorn account or using the app, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to Acorn's customer support.